guys, it's Brenda and Lauren with Wild Rose Productions. We're at Balboa Park today. We're going to give you a tour of the gardens. There's botanical gardens, roses, cultural events going on. Super busy. So we'll see you soon.
A few Balboa facts. Balboa Park began in 1868 and overlooks downtown San Diego. It is filled with trees, botanical gardens, rose gardens, and Japanese gardens, with a mix of architecture in the design of Spanish Colonial Revival, Mission Revival, and Pueblo Revival to impress locals and tourists. It sits on 1,200 acres. Interesting to note, the garden was originally called City Park, but the locals and commissioners at the time felt the name was less than memorable for the 1915 Panama, California Expo, so the new name was chosen in honor of Spanish-born Vasco Núñez de Balboa, the first European to spot the Pacific Ocean while on exploration in Panama. The San Diego Natural History Museum was founded by a handful of citizens, naturalists, in 1874. The museum is an active research institution and is the oldest scientific institution in Southern California. In 1926, the San Diego Museum of Art was founded, the region's oldest and largest art museum. The Museum of Art houses a fine selection of European old masters, 19th and 20th century American art, an encyclopedic Asian collection, and growing collections of contemporary and Latin American art.